another fresh morning, I guess. Wow, nice. Where's Mom? Probably gonna come up soon enough. I am so sorry. I had to go to work. You know that. Yeah, and you totally forgot about me. What? I thought you were on summer break still. Since, I thought your school started in August too, but that was our other child, Sweetbelle, right? Yes. Anyway, oh yeah, I forgot. You want your breakfast? Of course. Alright, hold on. Doesn't that look delicious? I guess. That's it. Just get your hat on or something. Just head to the carriage when you're ready. Yes. Okay. I'm pretty full already. School is always super tough, so I'm hoping I'm just gonna focus on studies or at least have a few friends. Something like that. Hold on, I can put it on the mat. This is not my size, so I might just have to come in without a hat or something. What a disappointment. I guess I should be early. Oh, time to teleport. Thank goodness. I thought you would forget about it and go back to sleep. Mom, oh yeah, I forgot. I did that when I was kindergarten. Mom, I'm not that young anymore. I know, it just feels so old. Okay. So I don't think you fit in there, no offense. Exactly. That's why I'm going to push it for you. Wait, what? There's no control on it, remember? I have to push it because this thing doesn't work properly. Oh no. Are you sure? Of course. Fine.
I came to win, to fight, to conquer, to thrive. I came to win, to survive, to prosper, to rise, to fly. Day. Maybe that'll kinda make the pain go away. Trying to forgive you for abandoning me. Praying, but I think I'm still an angel away. Angel away, yeah, strange in a way. Maybe that is why I chase strangers away. They got their guns out aiming at me, but I become Neo when they aiming at me. Me against them. Me against enemies, me against friends. Somehow they both seem to become one. A sea full of sharks and they all smell blood.
You're okay on your own? Of course. Alright. Boy. Okay. Bye. Hello? Okay, so who are you? Oh, I'm a new girl. What's your name? My name's Rarity. Heard of you. What's yours? Sunset Shimmer. Sunset? Wait, we used to attend the same school. Sky Wishes? Excuse me, who are you? I'm Rarity. Oh, so you're rare to find. Oh my god. Oh, my hair is really messy now. Can I please talk to that rainbow pony? But what did you just call me? A rainbow pony. Well, yeah, you did. So, what's your problem? That you call me a rainbow pony. I am blue with rainbow hair, but it doesn't mean I'm a rainbow pony. And what is that look? Are you supposed to are you supposed to look good or at least natural or something? Because you look, in fact, horrible. Why are you saying these things to me? I'm just being honest, dear. Because you kind of do have the worst, dear. Excuse me, don't be mean to her like that, sis. Do you really want me to force Mom to ground you for a month? Of course not. But if I convince her to ground you for a month, what is your reaction? Oh, why would I tell you? Because we're sisters. Not anymore. You're not treating me like one. Well, just get away from this. From Rarity. Suit yourself. Whoa, that was really nice. Wait. What's your name? Are you asking what's my name, Rarity? Well, yeah, I am. Fluttershy. Oh my God, you're a bully. No, you see, while you were gone for months, I sort of became friends with your group, and it so happened to be you never came back, and I decided to move schools, and it was a coincidence, I guess. Yeah, and why is Skywish's in that group? Enough questions. You haven't even met our crew yet. Oh, yeah. Come on, girls. Is that Rarity? Yup, it is. Wait. Pinky? Flower wishes? Yup, Cerezies. Hey, that was my line. How, really? Yeah, it is. Okay. Guys, I recognize every pony here except, so you recognize every pony here because they were here in past schools, and now you only don't know Rainbow Glitter. Yep, she's sort of changed the psychos into psychic. I'm sorry, I'm too used to the word psycho. I've been watching horror movies. That is not like you, Flutters. Psst, I've been forced to because Rainbow Glitter is in the living room when I'm reading. Oh. Am I alive? Yeah, you are. Oh, right there. But in the future, you'll die. What? Okay. So, Rarity, why are you in this school? I don't know. My mother just... Well, it's not really my mom. Yeah, I was wondering why you were calling that pony the pony... Wait, where is she? Then she teleported the... Oh, well, the pony mom. Well, she's basically my stepmom. Why? Because... Luna has a lot of business to attend to because she's a ruler of Equestria, that makes a lot more sense. She doesn't really have time to spend with me. So that's why I kind of upset Mom, but mostly she's just my godparent, so yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, how sad. Oh! Do you have a problem with anything we said? Yes. Okay. We have a problem with what you said. What was it? Because you said yes. So, you suck. Hey, don't be mean to our friend like that. What will you do? Well, I can predict your future for a bit. Alright. What's my future job? You will take Rainbow Dash's spot as a Wondercoat because you really adore her and she's amazing for you. Ooh. But you still don't beat me. Who's next? Stop it! I don't want you to keep bullying my friends like this. Oh, so can I bully your not friends? Like those ponies you're friends with, but you don't talk to as much? Those are not friends, right? They're my friends, of course they are. Why don't you talk to them? Because they're always busy. As if. You're lucky I didn't put a hard punch in that. Oh! Please stop it. Okay. Exactly. Lucky you survived that one. Oh, survived. I actually stayed awake to that one. I'm thinking they're not okay. Really? I'm done! Oh my god. Are you alive? Well, of course I am. Just really almost broke my ear. Sorry, headphone users. What? This video will be uploaded to YouTube. What video? That one! Over there. I don't see a single thing. This is just a wall, Pinky. Oh, sorry. We'll find out when you use YouTube. Oh. Anyway, Rarity, are you fine? Are you okay? I think we have to bring her to the clinic. No clinic for her! Why? Because she sucks. Okay, what will you do about it? I will severely damage you. Maybe twist your ankle. I highly doubt it. I will. Bluffing. I'll get you next time, Fluttershy. Stop, please. Okay. Hello. I sensed something's wrong, so I'm gonna take her now. What the heck? Well, they do say this is an enchanted school. I didn't know that was real. Huh. My first magic sight. I guess we better head to class and tell teacher about it. What's your guys' classes, by the way? Doesn't every pony have the same first class? Right. Also, where's every pony else? I think they're already at classes. There's a lot of other early squad ponies just in class. Makes sense. Let's go, peeps. What are peeps? Ponies use it a lot on YouTube, so I don't know what it really means. I know you're there. I know what peeps means. You guys are persons.